This right here took me 6 years to learn, and I'm going to teach it to you in about 3 minutes. Make sure you have some type of product to sell along with your video content. So I started back in 2017, 2018-ish. I started doing interviews on Blab with entrepreneurs and folks trying to learn exactly how they made money online. So let's just say that I've been in the whole monetization space for a good minute. And so as I would bring these different guests onto my digital show, I would get clients. Folks would want to hire me after we had a conversation on my podcast. And so what I did was I started to use that as an actual strategy. I would bring folks on, have a conversation with them, and then see if they were interested in services that I had to offer. What I didn't do, though, is something I'm telling you all to do now, which I should have done a very long time ago. And that's create a digital product to go along with my video content. Now, I had these amazing folks that were coming on my show. I interviewed celebrities. I interviewed folks who represented celebrities. I interviewed some really amazing, dope individuals on my actual YouTube show. And you can go to my YouTube and take a look at the rest of the folks. I mean, I talked to Yo-Yo, who's a rapper. Oh my gosh, I was super excited about doing that particular interview. I got to speak to a lot of different folks in the industry. I won't go through a whole list of names. I won't name drop. But the one thing I did not do, I was getting so much traffic. I was getting people that were hitting me up. I started getting more clients because those clients saw that I work with other folks and they wanted to work along with me. I did not have a digital product link or any type of other additional product that I was selling. That was a huge mistake. I was getting all this traffic because I had folks that are actual keywords that I was doing content with. Since I didn't have anything to sell aside from my services, I ended up losing out on a lot of money and I left a lot of money on the table. We will not be doing that anymore. So now what I do is I make sure that anytime that I do an interview or I have video content that's surfacing out there, I make sure I have a strategy in place where I have a digital product that goes along with that particular video series or channel that I create. And it doesn't always have to be a digital product. You can do this with physical products as well. I just choose digital products because I don't like going to the post office. So I put together a whole list of 101 ebook ideas. If you like that, go ahead and type yes in the comment section.